I want to state categorically that your support has been invaluable in the sense that we are able to seek the support of the country in terms of being able to evacuate our personnel when they are in a moment of need for medical support and other critical support. You have supported over 20 of our personnel in this country in the last few months, and we really appreciate it. The reports we get from them is that they've received high quality support from the experts in this country, and we appreciate that. Equally, we want to state that this mission requires a lot of cooperation in terms of intelligence, sharing of critical information, and this country has provided invaluable support to the mission in Haiti. Our request is that we continue supporting each other and collaborating for the success of that mission. So we also pay tribute to your security personnel who have anchored the role of the mission in Haiti. At the bilateral level, the signing of the two memorandums is very, very important. One, in support of the peace mission, and for us to be able to work with you whenever they need help. We appreciate and thank you for that. Secondly, we believe that there is great opportunity for us to develop stronger links, starting with our diplomatic engagements through our two ministries of foreign affairs and the institutions thereof. So that covers the second aspect of the memorandum of understanding that we have executed today. We want to learn from you on how you're able to capture the attention of 11 million tourists every year coming here. That's based on the population you have, that is one person per tourist. In Kenya, we have been able to get to about 2.5 million tourists out of a population of 50 million. So definitely you're doing something right in this country.